Good morning, grade 3 students. Hope you're all doing well. I'm your science teacher, Mrs. Alice. Today, 16th of March, we're going to start with a new chapter, Chapter 4, Living Things. Lesson 1, How can you classify animals? Please, I want from you to open your science books, page 161 in front of you. Objectives for today: classify animals into groups. Define the term trait. Look at the pictures in front of you. Give two examples of how can you classify animals. The butterfly and the bird can fly. The jellyfish and the fish live in water. Very good. So as you can see that the world is full of many different types of animals. Some swim, some fly, some breathe air, and some breathe underwater. Some have skeletons and others don't. To help us understand the differences between animals in our world, scientists classify or sort animals into different groups. Look at the page 161 in your science books. Tell me, what is the heading in this page? Classify animals. Very good. Have you heard of the word classify before? What do you know about it? Classify means to sort things into groups. Correct answer. Give me an example of how can you sort things into groups. Plants. Very good. I can sort plants into two groups, flowering and non-flowering. Now take 5 minutes, read the text in front of you and answer the following two questions. Question number 1. What are the ways you can classify animals? Question number 2. Define a trait. You should answer me. Animals can be classified by how they look, what they eat, where they live, and how their babies are born. When we say how they look, we're speaking about their outer appearance, what they eat, the food, where they live, in water or on land, and how their babies are born, if they are going to reproduce by hatching or giving birth. For example, a group of animals that eat mice can include snakes, hawks, and owls. A group of animals that fly can include hawks and owls, but not snakes. The answer for question number 2. Define a trait. A trait is a feature passed on to a living thing from its parents. For example, you're going to share the same eye color with your mom or dad. Let's together correct the questions of our science book. Question number 1, circle some ways animals are classified. You're going to circle how they look, the word body features, the trait. You can also circle where they live or how they act. All of them, they are correct. Question number 2, what is another reason you might not classify a snake with hawks and owls? You're going to tell me that hawks and owls have feathers, but snakes do not. Please open your science copybooks, write the date, the name, the chapter, the lesson, and the page. Underline them. After that, write question number 1, define a trait. Write the answer under it. Please pay attention to write a complete answer. Question number 2, fill the concept map. You're going to draw the concept map and fill it. In the concept map, the question it is, how can you classify animals? Thank you a lot. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.